So this is this year's garden. Changed a few things. A rose bush which has been here since Walter and Ida owned the house, and I saved it last year. The roots are way down behind the air conditioner. And then it goes up. I did 2 trellises this year, which is crazy. And I saved, I'm making a bonsai tree out of this bad boy. It's 2 years old already. It's already grown into shape. We added the fake grass this year because this ground is too acidic. Nothing seems to grow but weeds. I just planted these a week ago. They're already sprouting. These are not doing so good. Wish they were. Hopefully we can do it. If not, we'll get different ones. I put in the rain barrel catch this year. I made it. So the water comes down, goes across, drops into here underneath Monsieur Frog, which is, this is a permeable surface that filters out a lot of the water that hits the top. And then inside you can see it's collecting my water. There's an extra filtration for the pipe. And then we have a release valve here that I used JB Weld to keep together. It is a $40 version of what people say is $100 to make. So that's our water we can use. I built the support brace over the window well here that supports the full. This is about 80 pounds, I guess, when it's full, but it works pretty good. That was only $99 at Home Depot. And then I concreted and filled this whole area. That is the former drain release that goes to the street. But I also had insulation issues here, which I'll finish this concrete after this is complete. Yeah, so this area has never been nice, and now we've done all this to make it look nicer. And then these are old bistro tables we got as a wedding gift a long time ago. Yeah, this is our little oasis. It's getting better. And of course, Treebeard watches all. There you go.